Hey guys, today a little bit different video. I bought a mystery box from Car Throttle. As you can see, it's not very big. I paid like around 40 euro, I think. So first let's check how much we get. I hope you can see it. It's 785 gram. So let's check. Here's so I'll make a little bit like mystery. Okay, there's like black cover. I don't really know what it's really sticky. Okay, first we have a microfiber towel. I think it's 40 centimeters long. So what's next? Oh jeez. Pair of socks. Okay. RSR design. Okay. I think they're too short for me, but I will figure out. Then, new ride. Don't know what it is. Car air freshener. So, okay. We'll see. But we got more. We got Clean Freaks interior trim detailer. It's pretty nice. It's 250 milliliter. To give you the OEM finish in your interior with a UV protection. We'll definitely try it out. It smells like bubble gum. Interesting. But we got way more. It's, damn, the freshener looks like lost something. This box, what is it? Instruction manual. It's an USB car charger. It's quite heavy. It's double. That's nice. But there's still something inside. Car ionizer, great for car, home and office. Hope you can see it. I don't really know what to do with it. You have to put it in the cigarette lighter, and no, I don't think I will ever use it, but nice try. Like crap. Still something inside. We have one Car Throttle sticker. So looks nice. Another one. Maybe we'll use this one because I like it when it's not filled. And last but not least, key tool. There it is. And we have here this one. So it's just plastic crap. And this one is actually pretty nice. All of this here was in the small package. For 40 euro, I think it's okay, quite nice. Maybe we'll buy another one. This one is actually pretty nice in combination with the towel, so you have definitely something you can work with. The USB charger, yeah, you can use it every time. I don't really know if I will use this one, because I made the experience that they most time are way too much flavor. The keychain is pretty nice. I will definitely put it to my key. And I have this new keychain. I let them made, and it's quite nice. Really love it. So, thanks for watching. Bye bye.